Today, 100 years ago. On this very night, 1 minute before midnight, Britain teeters on the edge of chaos. It's May 3rd, 1926, and at 11:59 p.m. sharp, printers across the country down tools in a synchronized act of defiance. The Trades Union Congress has called the first general strike in British history, throwing their weight behind coal miners battered by savage wage cuts and grueling longer hours from ruthless mine owners. By the stroke of midnight, the wave crashes over the nation. Over 1.7 million workers, nearly 1 in 6, walk off the job. Rail workers abandon signals and platforms, halting every train from London to Glasgow. Dockers leave ports silent, ships stranded at anchor. Bus and lorry drivers vanish, stranding commuters in the dark. Factories in heavy industry grind to a standstill, their machines cooling in eerie quiet. Even newspaper presses fall silent. No morning editions will hit the stands come dawn. London awakens to pandemonium just after sunrise. Middle-class volunteers, Oxford students, and eager Boy Scouts clamber into driving seats of buses and trains, their amateur efforts sparking comical mishaps and hair-raising near misses on slick morning roads. Clashes erupt as crowds jeer these strikebreakers, stones flying amid police lines that hold the fray in check. Tensions simmer like a powder keg. Enter Winston Churchill, the pugnacious Chancellor of the Exchequer. He seizes control of the government's makeshift British Gazette, churning out editions from a commandeered press to blast the union's message and rally the public. The air crackles with defiance. Picketers chant solidarity with miners, while volunteers dodge barricades and catcalls. By evening, the economy lies paralyzed. Food shortages loom as markets empty. The nation holds its breath, gripped by the raw clash of class and power. On this single, fateful day, Britain stops dead. If the raw tension of May 3rd, 1926, when Britain ground to a halt, pulls you in, countless other days of defiance await. Like and subscribe. Let's uncover them together.